Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Maths Boss. Don't forget, you can also find us on X at themathsboss_YT. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Today's video is all about how to convert any square root to an almost exact decimal. Let's have a look at the first example. The square root of 10. Before we start the question, we need to find the perfect square root that comes just before 10, which is the square root of 9. The answer to that is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So to work out the square root of 10, we know that it starts with 3, so we have a 3 just next to it. You work out the difference between these two numbers. 10 take 9 is 1. Over, you double this number here, this number 3. If you double the number 3, we get 6. Our answer is 3 whole ones and 1/6. If we convert this to a decimal, this comes to 3.16 recurring. So we think the answer is 3.16 recurring. Tap this into a calculator and the calculator answer comes out to be 3.162, which, as you can see, is almost exactly the same. And there's the first example done. Let's have a look at another one to see how close it actually is and how it works. Let's go for the square root of 200. Square root of 200, the nearest square root is the square root of 196, which is 14. So our answer is going to start with 14. The difference between these two numbers, 200 minus 196 is 4. And if we double this 14, we get 28. Let's see if we can simplify this answer. If you simplify 14 whole ones and 4 over 28, we get 14 and 1/7. Written as a decimal, we should know that this number is 14.1428. And we use the calculator to check. Our answer comes to 14.142. And as you can see, we have an agreement up to 2 decimal places, so we are very, very close to the exact answer. Okay, so you can have a go at these 3 questions. You can pause the video and then play it again and see how close you are to the answers. Your first question is the square root of 85. Second one you can have a go at is the square root of 106. And the last one is the square root of 240. So you can pause the video and then have a go and then play it to see how close you are to the answers. So let's go with the answers and let's see what people said. Square root of 85, the closest square root is square root of 81. Square root of 81 is 9. So the answer must start with 9. 9 whole ones, subtract these two numbers, we have 4 over, and if we double this 9, it's 18. Simplify our answer, 9 whole ones and 2 over 9. 9 whole ones and 2 over 9 can be written as 9.2 recurring. Get a calculator and check the exact answer, and it comes to 9.219. So as you can see, we have an agreement again, and it's very, very close to the exact answer. There's the first answer done. Let's have a look at the next one. Square root of 106. The nearest square root that came before it is the square root of 100, which equals 10. So our answer starts with 10. The difference between these two numbers is 6 over, and if we double 10, we get 20. So we have 10 whole ones and 6 over 20. If we simplify our answer, it comes to 10 whole ones and 3 over 10. And we know that is 10.3. Using a calculator, if you type in the square root of 106, the real answer comes to 10.295. As you can see, we have an agreement to 1 decimal place. So this one also comes out very close. Let's have a look at square root of 240. The nearest square root is the square root of 225, which is 15. So we know our answer is going to start with 15. Find the difference between these two, and it comes to 15 over, and then double 15, which is 30. Write that again so you can see it clearly. 15 whole ones, 15 over 30. Simplify our answer, it's 15 and a half, which is 15.5. Calculate answer comes to 15.49. Again, we have an agreement to 1 decimal place, and these are the 3 answers that you should have got for these 3 questions. As always, if you like this video, press the like button, share, subscribe, and you can comment on this shortcut technique which has been used to change any square root into a decimal, and a very accurate decimal at that. So there you go. See you on the next one.